Hi friends, hope everyone is fine. I'm Santosh from Profit Zone. Um, I have over a decade of experience in stock market, and I thought I will share my experience with all the people out there in the YouTube. So I have been trading in markets for quite a long time, and it's been uh, more than a decade for me looking at the markets, trading, and in equity, F&O, commodity, and currency. Quite frequently, I've been asked by friends on how to trade in the markets, how to turn out a profit, what's an F&O, how to trade in F&O, so many things, right? And of course, I have taught so many people, mentored close to 20 people personally on what to do in the market, what is an equity, how to buy and sell equity, how to sell, how to buy and sell in F&O. And then I'm sure that this is going to only expand. So I thought, why not I make a video blog and publish in YouTube so that anyone who wants to understand about the intricacies of stock market can go through that, can see the video and understand. And I often tell my friends to kind of look at the internet. I have given them books to read. I have referred them to many other sites which have comprehensive information about stock market. But one funny thing is, people love to see videos than read. That is why cinemas are more popular than novels. And so I thought I will take some time preparing some videos about various things in stock market. So this is my first video to um, tell you what are the various things I'm going to talk about stock market in the coming months. And to start with, I will talk about the need to invest. What is investment and what is savings? So that is the video number one. What is the difference between investment and savings? And uh, what is the need to invest rather than save? Say, for example, I deposit my money in bank. That is a saving because I am given a fixed rate of return, say 5% or 7% at the end of the year. But when I invest in gold or invest in shares, I am not given a fixed return or an expectation of a return. So that is called investment. Investment is something where you don't get a fixed return but expect much more return than savings. But savings is something where we are given guaranteed a percentage of return at the end of the year. So this is going to be my first video, and why should we invest? What is the need to invest to beat the inflation? Obviously, so I'll also talk about that elaborately. And and when people come to stock market, they are worried about what is the security of their money, or how is the regulation happening. So I'll talk about the regulatory bodies, both government and private regulations, and what is exchange, how it is governed, what is SEBI, what do they do. So that will be very interesting for people to understand how the stock market is being regulated and monitored by the government agencies. And of course, I'll also talk about the financial intermediaries, namely brokers and others who are instrumental for us to engage in trading in stock markets. And I'll also talk about what is the stock market. So we hear stock market, stock market here and there. Oh, I'm going to trade in stock market. The market has started. So what is actually a stock market? Is it kind of a building where people go in and trade, or is it something like an exchange, or what it is exactly? So that question has also come to my mind when I came new to the market, and it also many people don't understand what is a market. Whether we are going to buy Tata Steel from the directly from the company, or Tata Steel shares, I mean, from the company, or it is off the shelf or something like that. So I'll talk detail about what is stock market, and how trading is done, or how investment is done in stock market, what is a demat account, etc. And I'll also talk about stock market index. So when stock market, people say market goes up, that doesn't mean that all the shares in the market goes up, or market tumbles. That means not all the share in the market goes down. So how is stock market rise and fall is measured? Is it is it there is any barometer? There is any temperature gauge to measure whether the stock market is hot or cold? So that is where index comes up. So I will talk about various indices in stock market and what is the functionality of an index, why index is created, and of course I'll also talk about the constituents of an index. That will be an elaborate video, and I'll also talk about the technical analysis, how it is done, fundamental analysis, how it is done. There will be a series of video on both of these topics, and of course I'll also talk about currency, commodity, and other related stuff. And of course, those are the main topics which I'm going to share with you. I'll also share with you about what are futures, future contracts. Future is nothing but we are going to predict the future of the market, whether it's going to go up or down, right? No, futures is called futures contract. So that is something which we will talk later. And what are options? We often hear about companies giving stock options to employees. And what are stock options? And what are option trading? What is an option trading? So we can trade options not only in stocks but also in indices. So we will talk about the call option, put option, and the stock options, and so many things, how they are traded, etc. And so this is what I'm going to talk about. And in case you want to talk something more, you want to hear something more, I would request you to write down your comments in the comment section below, and probably we can talk about that later. Thank you.